Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have a new collection that actually came in while I was on vacay with Christy. Seems like lots of things happened while I was on vacay, right? The first thing that I wanted to show you is I have this Christmas fabric that has come in, and it is called Merry and Bright. It is by Me and My Sister Designs, and I'm not going to pull this out. This is the Fat Quarter Bundle. I think this is 25 or 26 SKUs. Let's see, I'll probably say it on here. And no, it doesn't. I think it might be 26. Anyway, it is very traditional Christmas with like, these are snowmen, and I do have this in my shop right now, and I've shown a picture, I know it's not the same, of all the different fabrics that are in the collection, but I also have yardage coming in. I did not buy every single SKU. I only got the ones that I particularly liked, and also I figured that would be an easier way for me to sort of put together some little bundles maybe, but I do have these Fat Quarter bundles, and I also have some charm packs, so you can check those out. Those are in the shop right now. Now I'm really excited about this. This is a collection that I had to have, and this collection is by a designer named Cori Dantini, and I love Cori Dantini. When I first discovered her fabrics, she was designing for Blend, and Blend has since then been purchased by, I think they got purchased by maybe the entire umbrella Jaftex. I'm probably wrong. No, I'm wrong, because they're with she's with FreeSpirit Fabrics now. So this collection here is her Halloween collection for this year. It's called Spirit of Halloween. You guys know, first of all, I love Halloween. So you can count on having a few different options for Halloween when you come to my shop. And you can definitely count on having more fabric in my shop from Cori Dantini, because I just love her fabrics. So I hope that you feel the same way. I'm going to pull these out and show them to you. The great thing about her collection is that there are only 9 SKUs. So I bought the whole collection so that we can put together some bundles, hopefully for you guys, and it won't be like terribly expensive. So let's get this going. This is the first one, and I'm going to show each one to you. Okay, so the name of the collection is Spirit of Halloween, Cori Dantini. This particular pattern is called In the Patch in the color blue. Oops, let me pull more out. Might as well. So here it is. So cute. And she also has an Etsy shop where she sells like drawings that she's done. She sells prints. So you could probably find her. And I will have the spelling of her name just in case you need it. And I'll give all the information about her. Because I'm a huge fan of hers. Okay, so that's the first one. And this is, it's the same pattern, but this is in the color gray. She calls it gray. To me, it looks kind of like a white background, but she says gray. And she's the artist, so we're going to let her say whatever she'd like. You know what? Let me turn this around because I think I'll show it to you upside down. There you go. It is so super cute. And it's okay if you don't feel the way I do about it. It's okay. I have so many people who are like, you know, I just don't know. It's not really my thing. It's okay, guys. The really cute thing is, I don't know if you can see it everywhere. I'm trying to show a lot of different spots, but she's got little writing in it. So she'll have spooky is written in here, and she's got treats written in here. She's got tricks. She's also got these little, it looks like they're flowers, but then they're not really flowers. They almost have a look of like, you know, the sugar skulls. Anyway, it's, can you tell how much I love her stuff? Okay, so that's the second one. I'm gonna go a little bit faster because I have a feeling my video is gonna end up being like 20 minutes long for one collection. It's kind of crazy. Okay, this pattern is called Nocturnal Bloom, and this is in the orange colorway. And there it is. It's very pretty. And I just love that, you know, she like hand draws all of these things, and I think it's gorgeous. But y'all know that already. Because I've now said it about 30 times. Okay. Now, in this collection, there are a couple of panels. And I will, you know, I don't want to like pull the whole thing out. What am I going to do? Yvette, what are we going to do? Let's see. All right, I'll pull it all out. Hold on. Because you got to see the whole thing. It's so cute. All right. So, let me see how this goes. I see that. All right. I think it might be same on both sides. So, let me see, what can I put down here? I don't want to I don't want to get it all dirty. Which way? That's upside down. Of course it's upside down. Why wouldn't it be upside down? It's too difficult. Okay, hold on. This is turning into like some kind of craziness going on. I'm gonna do all these calisthenics trying to show the whole panel. Are you able to see the whole thing there? All right, so you got the sugar skulls, you got the pumpkin, you got, what is that? It's upside down. That's a cat. You got a ghost. And I think it's the same. It just keeps repeating like that. Yeah. It's exactly the same. All the way. It's just in a different order. So, both sides. Let's see. Pumpkin. Skull. Ghost cat. Okay. So, it will repeat. So it'll go this particular order and the exact same order on the other side. So you have this like two of each one of these on each row, right? Okay, so there it is. There's that. I wanted you to be able to see that panel. And this panel, let me get it wound up and then I'll tell you what it is. Okay, it says, this is the panel called Hallowed Joy, Hallowed Joy, Hallowed. Y'all, my eyes are not like what they used to be. But anyway, there you go, Hallowed Joy. And then this one is called We See You in white colorway. And it's just a bunch of little pumpkins. And pumpkins and like leaves. There's a little dot background. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This line to me is like so whimsical. I really love it. Let's get to the second box. All right, this one is Nocturnal Bloom again, and this is in the charcoal colorway. So it's not quite black in the background. They're calling it charcoal. Okay. And then this one is We See You in a green colorway. Same little pumpkin with all the leaves. The little dots in the background. Every once in a while you see my little eyeballs pop up at the top. And this one, this is also Nocturnal Bloom, and this one is in a blue colorway. Okay, and then the last one is another panel. This panel, I'm going to show you the whole thing, so I'll take all the wrap off, and this one is called In the Spirit. Okay, oh my gosh, this is so typically her, and I love her panels. She's just got the best. Okay, and of course now it's gonna go this way so I can hold it up. Okay, so this panel here, it says, be afraid, be very afraid. And you've got a little girl dressed up as a witch, and she's got a kitty cat, she's got her broom, she got pumpkins. And then you have this guy who is like a pumpkin skeleton with some little kitty cats. And I think, yeah, it goes around, and it's the same around. So you see how on this side, it's all of the girl and the little jack-o'-lantern skeleton, and on the other side, so it's the same on each row. So on this row you have that little guy, and he is, hold on, it's Halloween, and these guys are all like dressed up as a bee and a rabbit, and gosh, I don't know what that is, like a deer or something. And then like a little squirrel back here. This girl's a mermaid. And she's got, then they have like the little guys all on the bottom. And then the pumpkin. And basically, it's just a pumpkin with the little sugar skulls around it. And that's so super cute. So you can do anything with these panels. I mean, you could make pillows. You could just put it, like cut them into separate things and put them in a quilt. So it's just so cute, in my opinion. So I'm very excited to share some Cori Dantini with you, because I'm not sure if how many people, I mean, everyone should know who she is, but sometimes I'll go into a quilt shop and they don't know who I'm talking about. So I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys, something that I really love, and look for that in the shop. I'm going to be putting it in there quite quickly, as fast as I can, and I will see you guys in the next one. I do have quite a bit of fabric coming in, so we're gonna have more of these coming up, so stay tuned. Mwah.